Hi, I'm Ken Burns. I am so sincerely sorry that I can't be with you this evening to receive this recognition. I'm tremendously humbled and honored by what you all do at the Friends of the Forest Preserve. You know, I've been involved all my professional life in some way with conservation and the national parks on a much bigger level. And what you do at a local level is so important. You know, we've called the national parks America's best idea, but it takes a lot of local grassroots efforts to make it happen. You know, Americans are a kind of manifest destiny is about looking at every single stream and thinking dam, looking at every stand of beautiful forest and thinking bored feet, looking at every canyon and wondering what mineral wealth can be extracted from it. And a group of people at a local level said, no, we need to save this for everyone and for all time. And you do it at your level. We've helped create it at a national level. And what happens is that we represent the best of us by saving these sacred spaces and make our lives that much better. And I'm always reminded of what John Muir said: happy will be those who, having the power and the love and the benevolent forecast to create a park, will do it. They will not be forgotten. The trees and their lovers will sing their praises, and generations yet unborn will rise up and call them blessed. You are blessed. I am blessed this evening. Thank you so much. We are all blessed by those who save our forests. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.